This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 38, Deliver. The silent energy tax. Deliver doesn't create energy, it protects it. But protection has a cost. Most people think detox is about cleansing, removing something, getting lighter. Biologically, detox is work, and Deliver pays the bill. Deliver is a processor. Everything that enters the blood eventually reports here. Nutrients, hormones, drugs, alcohol, endotoxins, stress byproducts. The liver doesn't ask why it's there, it just processes, silently, relentlessly. Detox is energy expensive. To neutralize toxins, the liver must bind molecules, transform them chemically, package them for removal, protect the rest of the body while doing it. This requires ATP, minerals, amino acids, oxygen. Detox is not cleansing, detox is logistics under pressure. If blood carries more than energy, as we explored last episode, the liver shifts priorities. Energy is redirected from hormone balance, glycogen storage, metabolic flexibility towards survival processing. Nothing breaks but you feel it. This doesn't look like disease, it looks like persistent fatigue, brain fog, slow recovery, poor tolerance to stress, feeling heavy without cause, not weakness, resource allocation. Why liver cleansing is misleading. You don't clean the liver cleans you. What you can do is reduce the load and support the process. Less burden, more capacity. What actually supports the liver? Not hacks, not extremes, but basics that lower cost. Adequate protein, minerals, hydration, regular meals, sleep, low inflammatory load, nervous system safety. When the liver doesn't fight constantly, energy returns quietly. Fatigue is often blamed on motivation or mindset or discipline, but sometimes it's just the liver doing unpaid overtime, silently, efficiently, at your expense. The liver doesn't ask for attention, it asks for conditions. When the load drops, energy stops leaking. Next episode, when detox becomes a drain. Thank you and Happy New Year!